Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this summery makeup look, and what got me inspired was this lip liner from NYX. I had it for the longest time and I was finally able to use it. I actually wore this lip liner for a wedding a couple of weeks ago, and I went with a little bit of color on the lids, nothing too crazy because obviously the lip stands out, so I didn't want it to look too overdone. And yeah, I wanted a very bronzy look. Alright, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I prepped my face, I did my eyebrows. Today for primer I used the Porefessional from Benefit, and then I went in with my Wet n Wild foundation. I also did my eyebrows and I used the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. So I'm gonna conceal right now, and to color correct, you guys know the drill. I use the LA Girl concealer, and I like to nowadays I like to go lower. I don't go necessarily up to the lash line, just because I tend to crease a lot in that area. I'm just gonna bring it down. Okay, so I have that blended nicely. Next, I think I want to go with a lighter concealer, and I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This concealer is amazing, but it tends to crease a lot as well. So once again, I don't know, lately I've been loving blending my creamy products with my finger. I've just been loving the finish that it gives me. I find it's more glowy, it looks more natural. So I like to drag that down to my nose, just because I find that the product on my nose tends to move a lot. So I like to go with a little bit extra product in this area. So I'm setting my lids with the Mercier powder. So I like using this brush in particular just because it's very small, so I can go right in to these tight areas. And lately I've been really applying a lot of powder on my nose because, like I mentioned, it has been moving. My product, like my foundation, moves, and so suddenly I don't have like foundation on certain spots, which is annoying. So I think I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, an orangey color, and I'm gonna go in with this beautiful orangey color, blending it back and forth, back and forth. This is a beautiful color. So before I move on, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the lower lash line. Alright, so I want to go with a red shadow, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful red color from the Beige Cosmetics palette, and I'm just going to focus that right in this area here, close to the lash root, and then I'm going to go inwards towards the center of the lid. Alright, so I'm going to be applying this beautiful gold shade here. No, or this one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go in with this one. No, I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. I'm going to go in with this beautiful golden shimmer. So pretty. I think I want to go with a little bit more of this reddish shade and just run it through. So I'm gonna finish up the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with mascara. Alright, so that is good. And I think I'm gonna go in with the lashes today. I'm gonna go in with my Kiss lashes. I have individual lashes too, but I find that they're more complicated to use, so I'm just gonna go in with these ones. Alright, so lashes are done. These are huge. I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna go with a very intense contour for this look. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer. This is in the color Toast, and I like to blend it with the Beauty Blender. This is not working with my foundation right now. It's picking up product. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with this concealer right now because it's not blended. It's not blending. It's removing my foundation, and that sucks. So I'm going to go instead with this powder foundation from NYX with this angled brush, and I like to just open the little sponge there and remove the excess, and just go right in like so. Make sure you go right up to the hairline because you don't want to have a line there. Okay, so that's good. I'm also going to contour my nose. I'm going to use the same product but a different brush. So I'm going to go in with this instead and just start. I like to contour this area here. I like to grab this brush here and just blend everything so we don't have harsh lines. For blush, I'm going with a nude color just because I'm going to go with a bright lip and I don't want the makeup to look too intense. So I'm just going to tone it down and go with, oh, my brush is dirty. And go with this one right here. Actually, I'm going to mix these two and just apply that. I love this color because it kind of has like a little shimmer to it. It's so pretty. Alright. And you guys know the drill. For a highlight, I'm going to go in with my Bybel because I love it so much. I'm going to stay with these goldish shades just so it goes and blends nicely with my makeup. So I'm going to go in with this one actually and focus that right here, sides here. So obviously I'm going to apply that on the tear duct. Actually, I'm going to go in a little bit with this color too because I just find it opens the eye and it brightens up the whole look. With that gold color on the Cupid's bow, I like to use a small brush when I apply it on my nose. just because I can go in with like a straight line because I suck. And tip of the nose right there. So lastly, for lips, I'm going in with this NYX Suede matte lip liner. This is in the color Foiled again. I think my lights were too bright, so you can barely see this lip color, which is annoying. So that, guys, leads me to the end of this orangey summer look. I don't even know what name I'm gonna give this look. So I hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and yeah, take care, and I'll catch you in my next video.